So this is the cover off the rear tailgate. I'm showing you the back side of it. The other side says Dodge on it, and it's nice and shiny. So the camera mounts right in here, and you can see it's kind of slides in a track, all right, which forces you to take this panel off in order to replace the camera. Here's the old camera. Once you slide the camera out, then you can remove two screws that kind of releases the camera from this bezel. So then you replace that, and then this whole piece goes back on. Here's a rubber grommet that goes through the inner panel. Okay, here's that same panel flipped around so the pretty side's out, and Nancy, the birthday girl's holding it. And you can see where it goes on the vehicle. And the camera cable goes through this hole, and the rubber grommet goes in that hole. Everything else is pretty much for mounting screws.